Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you are looking for the perfect little companion to have your drinks with you, I want to show you these tumblers from Outset. So this is a set of 2. These are stainless steel tumblers, but check out this cool wood grain pattern. I absolutely love them. I think they're so cute. So these are a 12-ounce tumbler. They come with a lid and it has this really nice silicone ring, so it keeps it in place really, really well. Has a little drinking hole right here. You can also put a straw in there, whatever you want to do. So I love these tumblers for a few reasons. One, of course, they're just so pretty, but 2, they do an amazing job. They keep your drinks either super cold or super hot. They are made from a double-walled stainless steel, so it does a great job at insulating, and also it makes them very, very durable. So these are the perfect thing to take with you if you are going to go out on a boat, or you're going to be tailgating, or you want to be outside by a fire and have a nice drink with you. This is awesome because you do not have to worry about dropping a glass and having it shatter. This thing is going to last and be very hard to destroy. So I love the fact that you can take these with you anywhere. They are a really nice shape as well. Some of these type tumblers are very wide and they are a little bit difficult to hold, but this is nice and narrow. It's a really nice shape. I love that it's a little bit tall, and it's just perfect. They're also so beautiful that you could put them at the dinner table as well. So I love these. I think that they are an awesome find, and they come in a variety of unique patterns and colors. So I think it just makes them really special. So I am super happy with these tumblers from Outset. I think that they are the perfect little pair. They are the perfect companion to take with you on the go. And that's my point of view.